I like the way you think.
Wow! Good luck, Daddy.
Actually, I'm not a bullet.
What's up? Get in here. It's a great time. I got guys right down there shooting me. Jesus Christ, you just stirred up some shit. He's stacked on the corner, left corner of that far building. Stay the fuck down, man. Holy fuck. They're rocking this window.
There's so many.
Yeah, buddy.
Get him?
Yeah.
Off the road.
Yeah, see that? Falling back here.
Oh, fuck you, call that. Didn't call it. Oh, sorry!
He's down.
I got one. I got one.
Spool. Big spool. Heads up, heads up, heads up.
I'm gonna move up.
Yeah, you better call it, bro.
That guy didn't call.
I just shot somebody in the face.
I saw that. Oh. Back building.
Copy.
Alright, I'm loading.
Got a tiny little angle. Tiny little angle
I
there.
was shooting through the house.
See him?
Almost done.
Yeah, he's still fucking there. Oh, I'm gonna get him. Lift your head.
I didn't load my other one. Yeah, he found us.
Man, he's trying. Hey, barrels, barrels. What? Those same barrels that we were shooting at before behind the hut. I don't know if you have an angle there. Yeah, got him.
Nice.
There he is, there he is. He's hit. Still got barrels, barrels.
Oh yeah, I see where they're coming. This guy can't get a bead.
I can see his fucking foot. Oh.
Coming over. You need distance, right? Here. Boys.
That barrel right to the left of the hut. There's a guy behind it peeking. Yep. Yep.
There's a guy directly across. All right, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna push forward.
Okay, go, go, go. I'll keep him suppressed. Devin, or Brandon, shoot that fucker. Yeah, boy.
No. Cody, no.
Good shot.